Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It is a beautiful lidded box. Oh, with a bit of glue left on it. I obviously didn't let that glue dry, did I? Because I buckled it too. But it's a beautiful lidded box using the Dazzling paper that is free during celebration, and there's not very much time left, but it is gorgeous. I don't know if I can, yes, I can get it to focus. It's almost like a honeycomb effect. Very, very lovely and just so glittery. And so I just wanted to make a simple, stunning, gorgeous box. Okay, so this one was Misty Moonlight and Balmy Blue, and I'm going on this one, Melon Mambo and Blushing Bride. So your base needs to be 8 by 8 inches, 20 by 20 centimetres. So super easy. And where's my stylus? There it is. And you simply, very, very simple, score it at 2 inches on all 4 sides. So very, very simple. That's 5 centimetres on each side. And your lid is just one of these sheets of paper. Now, it's 6 by 6 inches. If you are metric, you need to swap yours, you need to trim it down to 15 by 15 centimetres, and you score it on 1 inch, but adjust it slightly, so it's actually like 15/16 on all 4 sides, so 2.3 centimetres on each side. And yes, whoops, I'm scoring on the back, and that is because that gorgeous paper is reluctant to be scored. You can do it, it's a little easier. So I'm going to press quite firmly a few times because it wants to keep opening up, but that's okay. We're going to force it to do what I'd like it to do. Isn't it lovely though? It's kind of a champagne colour. It's not silver, it's not gold, it's not antiqued, but yeah, definitely more on the champagne look than anything else. So there we go. So I've burnished those. I'm going to burnish these as well. This is a nice, quick and simple project because it's what you do on the base, you do on the lid. So I'm going to cut straight on the rectangle and chop into the base, chop into the square, and then just rotate round. And then, like I say, what I do on the base, I'm going to do on the lid. Super simple. Let's get rid of all of those. I've got my bin here. Straight into the bin. And then just repeat exactly the same on here. So yes, celebration is coming to an end on the 30th of September. So not long now. So that is the free items offer gone. And the joining offer, and we've had loads and loads and loads of people joining. Oh, I forgot to get out my Seal Plus. I needed to refill it. Bear with me. I knew I needed to do something. So yeah, we've had dozens and dozens and dozens of people joining our team in August and September. And I hope you would be one too. And we've had hundreds, probably thousands actually, products heading out the door as free items too. So there we go. Let's get that started. So my Seal Plus, I'm only going to use Seal Plus on this one, and I'll explain why I'm going to use liquid glue on the lid in a second. It decides to chew it up. So bring all of this round to form the base. And then the lid, the reason I'm going to use liquid glue is because obviously it's textured. And you need something that's going to go into all the grooves and nooks and crannies, so to speak, but exactly the same principle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peg it, because otherwise I'd be here all night waiting for each corner to dry. And I'm too impatient for that. Oh, I haven't got enough pegs over here. Oh, well, that's sensible, Sam. I'm going to peg it. Doesn't have enough pegs. Seriously? Okay, I'm going to hold this one. Oh, for goodness sake. I had Luke tidy everything for me, and yeah, there's no extra pegs in that pot. Oh, hang on. Peg number 3. Where's the 4th peg? I need one more. He was very good. He really tidied up. There's none in there either, are there? Definitely none. Because I have 4 of these. I just don't know where the 4th one is. It's not there. Talk amongst yourselves while I sit and fold this. Right, what I'm doing. So on this one, it's the stitched snowflakes, guys, which are lovely. Stitched snowflakes, there's loads of them. So I'm just going to take a scatter of them. Do we think I can probably release that one now? Yeah, leave that to dry. So I'm just going to literally just take a scattering of them, because there's lots to choose from. And yes, they're stitched. So, but obviously I want the ones that are not outlined. I don't want outlined snowflakes. I want full snowflakes. There's no stamping on this project. So there's 5. And I'm going to take plate number 1, plate number 2, cutting mat. I'm going to send that most of the way through and have that on this end. And I really am just choosing at random. So there's all 5 on. Hopefully you can see. There we go. All 5 on. Plate over the top. And I'm going to do the whole lot in one go. Apparently I'm not going to do the whole lot in one go. Because I just dropped it all in my lap. Let's try that again. This was me moving the cut and emboss. And hopefully that's cut everything all out in one go. It has. Hurrah! Pop all of those out. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oops. Oh, that's just gone on the floor now. I think today is Dropsy Day. Where's the one I need? Put those over there. There's another one. And there's number 5. So I'm going to put those out of the way. And then if I brush over this, hopefully the majority of the bits will pop out. Yep, they're all out. Up in the corner. Oops. They're all out. It's funny that when I'm doing this, the snowflakes are curling up. Don't want them to curl up, but that's okay. I can make them flat again. There we go, all the little bits. And hopefully, oh no, look, it's twanged open. Ugh. Typical. Right, so lid over base, just fabulous. And then what I'm going to do, I'm turning these all over so that I've got the back of them. And my mini glue dots have been missing. What, they were in front of me. Oh, they're under, they're under the Simply Scored where I've just put it down. obviously, because, you know, that's what happens. So I'm going to stick one in there, and one of them there. This one is a little, this doesn't have a centre point, because obviously there's a hole in it, so I'm going to take a couple of these, and I'm just sort of turning it into a little blob of glue. And I'm only doing the centre because I do want a little bit of, I don't know that movement is the right word with the snowflakes, but I don't want them to be completely flat. And oh look, these are, it's going to still keep, it's trying to open up. I'll have to make sure that it's fully properly closed and dry before I take any photos. But yeah, super cute, super sweet. You could do them in the colours for your home decor and they'd be utterly charming, I think. I hope you like them too. So definitely free paper. We love free paper. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.